Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to trade on Wallapop. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Wallapop or es.wallapop.com, and we get into this website over here. Now to translate the language to English, simply tap on this three dots icon on the top right and click on translate. Now to trade, that is to buy or sell on Wallapop, we can click on this plus icon over here to sell something. Now choose what you'd like to sell. Let's go for a vehicle, and we need to enter all of the information required here. And finally, we can add the description. We can add few photos, and we can add the location as well. Once all of the information is done, including the price and photos, you can simply click on upload product. So your product will be uploaded. In buyer's account, your product will be seen something like this, and you can simply open this. Now to buy it, we can simply click on buy over here, and here we need to choose the delivery details and simply click on continue. After which, we need to select the payment method and click on continue. After which, we need to add our card details and we'll finally be able to buy it. So this is all we can do to buy or sell, that is trade on Wallapop. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.